Yes, good morning. So today we will continue our paralegal works to lawyers and judges. So let's say you are the one who are asking for paralegal work. Then let's say I am your paralegal. So a paralegal is a new student that assist the lawyer. So you will give me your facts about your case. Then after that, I will refer it to a lawyer. Then the lawyer will sign it. Then you will be referred to the lawyer that he or she knew. Then your case will be uh, run in the court like an well-oiled machine. So here today, we are going to have libel, oral defamation, and uh, cyber libel. So what's the difference between oral defamation or grave oral defamation compared to libel? Uh, Cyber libel and what's in it about moral damages. So if you have if you for example you destroy the reputation or the name of a person, so it will depend. So it is under the civil code also. So the case about libel, oral defamation, and cyber libel is not purely revised penal code. It is also within the range of new civil code. So, okay. So, for example, you have the case. So, for example, you are the respondent. So, cyber libel is committed through internet or social media. Libel is committed without social media or without internet. While oral defamation is purely words. So, for example, you destroy the reputation of a certain rich man by words or meaning by verbal. So by just let's say through word of mouth. So that's grave oral defamation. So for example, that's grave oral defamation. So destroying the reputation of the person, obviously talking things that is not true. That is not true. So Whereas in libel, it is similar. It is still destroying the reputation of the person, but it is made in writing. So for example, you write in writing, for example, in a newspaper, you destroy the reputation of a certain person because you are a writer. So that's libel because it can be seen through writing. So, and obviously not in electronic means. So if in electronics mean, for example, you destroy a reputation of a certain person through writing and you write it in the social media, then the social media, the one of your friend will share it to his or her friend, and his or her friend will share it also to their friends. Then that can be a cyber libel because it's through electronic means. So libel is penalized under our law. So the same with things that you are caught with uh, illegal drugs or uh, loose firearms, it's still a crime. The same with libel and cyber libel and oral defamation. So in terms of moral damages, so that's it. So if you put libelous word to a person, or you uh, gravely uh, orally defame that person, or you did cyber libel to that person, then you can be penalized not just by the penalty in the revised penal code, but also by the moral damages under the new civil code. So that's it. So if you new lawyers, you go to the nearest new lawyer, then refer your case about libel, cyber libel, or grave oral defamation. So remember, you must not sit on your right. You must not sleep on your right. You must stand and use your right. So again, there is no person that will be beaten. If there is no person that will allow the beater to beat him. So that's it. Thank you. Good day. God bless. And have a nice and happy Monday.